processes that make up the total really. And the first is just building the bare pot and then shaping it, and then you fire it once. Or you let it dry and then you shape it, which is like the second part of it, so you get all the refinement of the shape in that second part. And then you fire it the first time as a bisque firing to 1000 degrees centigrade, and then you do the decorating, and then you have to fire it again. So you do the underglaze work, all the masking and whatever the pot entails, and then you fire it again. You can see one of these pots, these big ones, take a lot of clay.
Yep.
This is what I love about coiling. It's quite forgiving. You know,
when you know what you're doing.
But I like to make them more symmetrical than you expect them to be, but not perfectly so. So that for me, I don't like things to look like a machine could have made them.
Absolutely.
This one was finished yesterday, so you can just see it dry.
Yeah.
These other ones are fully dry. And at that stage then they go into the first firing. And then when they come out of the first firing, this is what they look like. So this is bisque, and it's quite tough already. To coil a big pot a day, quite a long time for it to dry. And then a day's worth of firing the first time, and then a pot might take half a day to decorate, depending on how intricate the decoration is, and then another day's worth of firing the second time. If you look at this one here, so that's when it's dry and I'm shaping it, I make sure that I'm shaping it in a direction that's going to look good once I put the black underglaze or whatever colour underglaze in it, so you start reading the movement in the pot. Probably my interior design background.
Right, yeah.
I think it comes into not only the decoration but just the idea of space, conceiving the space within the pot as being important, not just emptiness, but something that can be manipulated, and you don't quite know what's inside and what's outside anymore. It's not a clear-cut thing. So,
Yeah.
like sort of playing with your mind.
Yeah, exactly.